Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you my fireworks haul. This is not all my fireworks. I will be getting more. But this is just some of it. And here we go. Alright, so sorry guys. So first we got Whack Job. I think it's by Showtime, but I'm not sure what the brand is. But yeah. So it's a 200 gram cake. I think it's 9 shots. And so originally this would be $50, but I actually got it for half price, so it was $25. But I was able to get like $5 in free fireworks, and what I did with that $5 in free fireworks is I put it towards this. So this was only $20, but originally it would have been $50. But I got a deal on it, so that's pretty good. Oh, guys, these cakes are gonna be hard to get out. I only have 2. Alright, I'll just get that one last because it's big. Anyway, so we got this. It's called Jump Shot. So, I already opened it a little bit. But it's like these little things. And you set it and you light it. And it kind of goes up in the air, like crackles. So, it's pretty cool. Only like $5 for those. And then I got the light. So I got some M2K firecrackers. What else? Okay, and I got... Whoa! Alright, anyway, I got a Saturn missile battery. 25 shots. So I got 2 of those. And then I got, I'll just pull up these. Okay, I got these festival things. These are by Showtime, and that's kind of what they do. I'll open this up for y'all. So those are like the little canister shell things. That's kind of what they look like. And then, hold on, I'm gonna set the camera down. It's gonna be dark just for a second. Sorry guys, sorry. It's gonna be kind of blue. Yeah, blue shorts on. But anyway, that's the 2. So, yeah. Hold up, and it's gonna go down just for a second. I'm sorry guys. I'm trying to getting these lids on are kind of hard. Alright, there we go guys. Alright, now we got 2 of these. So these are crackling strobe lights. So pretty cool. They're strobe lights with the crackle. Then we got some of these snap bangers. And I'm pretty sure that these ones are those big red ones. Now, I'm not 1,000. I'm not like 100,000% sure, but I think so. Hold up. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah, they are. Here, I'll pull one out for you guys. Try not to get sawdust everywhere. So that's what they look like. So you throw them on the ground and they kind of explode. They're pretty loud for their little size. They're loud. I'm gonna put this down just for a second. I'm sorry that I have to keep putting it down, guys. I know it's annoying. Okay. Alright, back to the video. And then we got these 2 smoke grenade things. So they're kind of like smoke balls. Then we got smoke balls. Some smoke balls. Pretty cool. Then we got this 200 gram cake, this little thing called Space Jam. Then we got Sky. Sorry, I kind of teared open the top of these. Then I got Sky Candy, and then that's what the size of the. That's what they look like on the inside. Then I got this thing. So it's kind of like a fountain, but it also shoots up in the air. And it kind of effects right there. You can see it. Let's see what else. Oh, yeah, I forgot about these. So we got 2 of these. They're double night parachutes, so they're for nighttime, and there's 2 parachutes in these. They're little ones, but they're cool. We got some zips. So these are the ones that, ground balloons are the ones that spin on the ground and like have colors, but these spin on the ground and they go up in the air. I don't know if they pop or not. Hold up. I don't think they do, because it doesn't say they have reported with them. No, okay. They just spin up and they shoot up in the air. Now these right here, these are cool. These are little eyeball things. They spin. Okay, they spin on the ground and means flame and sparks. So I'm guessing they spin on the ground and they crackle, something like that. I'm assuming. Not assuming. I think that's what they do. So I think I've watched a video for this. No, we got not 1 crackling mold pack, but 2 crackling mold packs. Actually 3, but the other one's opened up in the box. Fire. Oh gosh, come here. Then we got dancing butterfly, little fountain. And we got one of these single shots called Boom Boom. No, actually we have 2 of these. Right. Sorry guys. So here we go, Boom Boom. Then we got this. So it's called Crazy Crack Ups. So I'm guessing it just like crackles. Sorry for a few minutes. Excuse me. Gosh, I keep feeling like I'm gonna get sick. Of these little punks. And then, oh my gosh. This is gonna be hard to get out. But I got 2 of these little tanks with report. The other one's kind of bottom of the bucket, so I'll get it out kind of at the end of the video. But we have, some firecrackers. So we got like I think it's a 200 strip of those. That's pretty cool. Then we got these. These are Red Rascals. It says they're super loud. So that's what they look like. They're kind of just like little minister little like canister shells, something like that. Oh, here we go. Sorry guys. Here's my other tank with report. So I have 2 of those. I got this. So this is called. So I got wild geese. So these are